Welcome to this tutorial on WebEx meeting tools to help you communicate with your web designer remotely. First, you'll receive an email. Just click on Join. Then enter in your name and email in the browser window that just opened. You'll notice that no password is required. Today we have Cheryl from Sassy Web Design.
Hi.
And I'm representing the client. Cheryl, I'm clicking on Join right now, and the WebEx is setting up the meeting for me.
Okay, I've shared my desktop. Do you see it?
Just one moment. Yes, I see it now. I'll close the pop-up box since we're using Skype at no charge.
Good idea, because Skype does let you use audio or video group conferencing. Let's use the audio today.
Okay, I'm going to show the viewers a Skype icon on my toolbar.
When we discuss your website, let's use the pointer tool from the annotation palette to show what we're talking about, like this. And you can use the annotation tools by requesting access to them on top. Yeah, exactly.
I've clicked on the annotation button and I'm clicking on yes to continue, and I've just sent you a request.
Okay, well, I've received it and I've approved it.
Okay, the annotation palette is showing up. I'm using the pointer tool and I'm going to try to insert a correction with the pointer tool and type out a correction.
Sure. Now, when you're using these tools, keep in mind the following. Try not to use the tools at the same time. And, sometimes the text tool does work intermittently, and there's a delay at times.
Yeah, I recommend actually using Awesome Screenshot. It's a Chrome and Firefox add-on, and it's the subject of our previous tutorial. And then just reviewing the changes online with your web designer using WebEx. You can then send out your files to your designer by Dropbox.
Okay, and one tool that we do like is the Shapes tool, which we find very good for helping communicate about visuals.
I'm actually showing an example of that by drawing a rectangle and putting an arrow to the insertion point where an image can be added.
Another nice feature is the chat tool, especially when there are many people online watching and listening to the presenter, like during a webinar.
I'm showing the viewers the chat tool now.
Okay, I'm now going to share my computer with you so that you can move around my computer screen and browser using your own mouse and keyboard.
This is a really nice feature. I'm showing the viewers how I'm changing color of highlighter to just show some areas that I'd want to highlight maybe in bold. And the fact that I can navigate on your computer where I want without asking you to navigate there is really an awesome feature. So I actually like this tool a lot. And another nice feature, once I've highlighted it, is to actually save what I've done online, because I'm not actually modifying the document. So then I click on the camera and it saves it to my clipboard, and then I just have to open up a document. I'm going to do that now. And then I just save it in that document. I just paste it, Control V, and then I have a reference for future.
Okay, now I'm going to make you the presenter, meaning that we will now be viewing the client's computer screen.
Okay, I'm sending you a request by chat, which is optional, but...
Okay, I will give you access now.
Okay, I see that I'm the presenter, and I'm going to share my desktop. I've just clicked on the button. It's going to take a few seconds for the delay, so during that time I'd like to talk about the fact that the chat was optional, that I can just verbally ask Cheryl for access. You should be seeing the computer now, Cheryl.
Yes, I do.
Okay, now I'm going to open up a document. This is great because I can share some ideas with my web designer that I've prepared ahead of time before sending the documents. So here's an example. Okay, I'm going to make Sassy Web Design the presenter again. So I just go to the options drop box and click on stop desktop sharing. Then I just have to go to the participant window and choose Sassy Web Design as the host and click on make presenter. Now that will pass the privileges back to Sassy Web Design. Okay, so we're going to show you how to leave a meeting. So on the top menu on the left side is a return button. Just click on that and then close your browser window. And then you'll just be asked to confirm with the leave meeting button.
So thank you for joining us for this WebEx demo. We hope you find this tool useful.